Milwaukee M18 Fuel, a new breed of cordless tool. Up to 10 times longer motor life, 25% more power, and 50% more runtime. Milwaukee has combined the best-in-class power-state brushless motor, RedLink Plus electronics, and Red Lithium battery system to create fuel. Built for the world's most demanding professional. Introducing a new breed of cordless drill, the M18 Fuel cordless half-inch hammer drill driver from Milwaukee. Driven by the exclusive power-state brushless motor, Milwaukee designed and built. Unmatched power and torque to handle the toughest applications. Power State outperforms leading competitors. Delivers up to 10 times longer motor life. Maximum durability. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver contains RedLink Plus intelligence hardware and software. The most advanced system of cordless power tool electronics. Overload protection with total system communication between tool, battery, and charger. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver, energized by Red Lithium, the most durable battery pack on the market. Up to 50% more runtime than the competition. Over 5 times more recharges than leading competitors. Battery fuel gauge to monitor remaining charge and reduce downtime on the job. New multi-voltage charger that accepts both M12 and M18 batteries. Features include new contoured soft grip, ultimate comfort under prolonged use, all metal ratcheting locking chuck, maximum grip, bit retention, and durability. Powerful LED light, compatible with Red Lithium Compact and XC battery packs.
DeWalt is changing the way work gets done with innovation for electrical trade.
It's fast. It gives you a clean cut. I used to use a knife and that was tiring. Fingers would be cut up. Now I use a cable stripper. I go home safe.
Strip cable quickly and cleanly every time. No knife needed.
A lot of jobs will not allow you to strip wire with knives anymore. So for those particular sites, this tool is a must.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing. And I really like the tool.
This is innovation. Designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20 volt max system by DeWalt.
Introducing an 18-volt cutout tool that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt cutout tool with a slim body design and 30,000 RPM for fast cutting. With the Makita 4 amp-hour battery, this cordless tool is engineered to make enough cuts for up to 100 gang boxes on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Hi there, I'm Mark with Ryobi Power Tools, here to introduce you to the new and improved 18-volt SDS Plus rotary hammer drill. This new cordless drill is designed to power through heavy-duty applications, delivering 5,000 BPM and 1,300 RPM. It's built with a 3-mode selector, allowing you to easily switch between rotary hammer, drilling, and chisel-only modes. The SDS Plus chuck lets you make quick, tool-free bit changes, and the variable speed trigger gives you total speed control. It also includes a front LED light to provide better visibility while you work. As part of the versatile 18-volt ONE+ cordless tool family, this innovative new drill will work with any ONE+ battery we've ever made or ever will make. The SDS Plus rotary hammer drill is covered by a 3-year warranty and it's available now exclusively at the Home Depot.
What you see here is the versatile GWB 10.8 Li Professional cordless angle drill driver. It's the compact solution for hard-to-reach areas. It has enough power to effortlessly drive screws with a diameter of up to 6 millimeters. Its head can be set to 5 different positions, which makes this drill driver extremely versatile. With its professional quality 10mm auto-lock chuck, it can be converted into a cordless drill in no time and can handle drilling diameters of up to 10mm in wood. And thanks to its extremely short head length of only 11 centimeters, it's perfect for working in extremely tight spaces. The practical charge level indicator enables you to check the charging state of the battery at any time. And the integrated LED light illuminates dark work areas perfectly. The high speed of up to 1300 revolutions per minute ensures fast work progress, especially when drilling in metal. Experience for yourself the GWB 10.8 Li Professional, the compact solution for hard-to-reach areas. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.
Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful G-Max 40-volt battery provides true gas performance and is able to power multiple tools for a complete yard system. The 40-volt brushless blower vac has a variable speed dial, which offers up to 185 miles per hour and 340 cubic feet per minute of airflow, making cleanup of major debris easy and efficient. The revolutionary brushless motor greatly decreases wear and tear on the unit while giving increased power. The blower-to-vacuum capability provides versatility to get your yard work done without the need for multiple tools. Powerful enough to handle wet and dry leaves, get longer motor life, longer runtime, more efficiency, less noise, and greater performance. The high-performance G-Max lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss and is interchangeable with all Greenworks G-Max 40-volt tools, the industry's largest 40-volt system. No cords, no gas, no oil, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
With the Milwaukee crimper, like the Milwaukee cutter, it's all in a straight line. Very easy to line up and do your crimp where you need it. It's very fast. It's lightweight. It's balanced pretty good. You can use it with one hand, and that's premium.
This one, that head lines up, boom, boom, boom. It is a lot faster and a lot nicer, yes.
It has a self-release on it. It crimps all the way, and then the green light lights up, and then it tells me it's good to go.
I'm confident with it. I know that once it hits the release, it's done its optimum pressure. If I want to verify, then I can just look and check with the light.
Milwaukee crimper will fit any of the manufacturers. whatever's in the specs. Could be any of those 7. We've got the one tool fits all, and it just saves a lot of money.
Milwaukee cutter, cut straight, fast, and easy.
The Milwaukee cutter, it is, I'd say, up to 3 times faster than anything I've used in previous. With everything being in a straight line on it, it's very easy to line up. In some of these areas, you don't have a lot of room. Because it's compact and lightweight and you do it with one hand, you can do your job better and more efficient and faster.
With that M18 cutter, I can get a clean cut for determination, which is important. We've cut anything from 500 copper to 750 aluminum. You can change the angles of the head, or you can get into different areas. Most are kind of standard, locked in place.
The previous cutter would have it pinched and locked down and would have trouble getting it off the cable. This one goes right through the wire. We've had no problems. We're limited to our space in a lot of these cabinets, and we've not met anything we can't do with that.
Looking for a cordless circular saw that combines brushless motor technology with battery innovation? Introducing the world's first cordless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw. It's powered by 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36 volts of power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The helical gear system is engineered for better transmission efficiency over current gear styles. With no oil needed and no brushes to replace, that means easy maintenance for you. The Makita-built, electronically controlled brushless motor delivers up to 5,100 RPM for efficient cutting. This new original delivers. It can make up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber on a single charge. This saw can cut a 3x in a single pass with a full 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity. It also has soft start and an electric brake for maximum productivity. The saw has a die-cast magnesium base and blade guard, which combines durability with less weight. For the most demanding cuts, automatic speed change technology goes to work. This automatically adjusts the speed and torque under load for optimum cutting performance.